Hello, I'm in a 2015 Dodge Ram 1500, and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So from the driver's side, we'll pop down here, and you should see this lever that will release the safety that holds it shut. Double check there's a cable attached here if there's no tension. If there's not, you'll need to address that. So we'll head up to the front now. And now this should be slightly loose. You can fit your fingers in here, but there's a lever right here, so we're gonna push and lift. So push and lift. Fortunately, there's nice little hydraulics that are hopefully holding it up for you. This is what that lever looked like. Double check nothing's bent, broken, no debris in here that needs cleaned up. If it's sticking a lot, maybe try some WD-40 as well, so you can loosen it. And then that's where it was hooked onto up top. Double check again, nothing's bent, broken, and make sure your hood's in proper alignment as well. So if it's crooked, that could cause you issues. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.